fish of the day.
Finally.
I know, not a bad one either.
Nah.
Freaking swallowed it.
We're not complaining about that one.
Second fish of the day. We didn't kill him this time.
Those things are pretty cool looking.
They
Not gonna
are.
lie.
They got a little black stripe going on.
Well, at our next spot, we got the drop shot wacky rig that we're gonna tie on. We have a tiny little swim bait. We're gonna see if we can finally get some.
Still there, bud. I don't want to get spined. Dude, why do they hit so weird? They hit exactly like a walleye do. I'm ripping lips. They just hit exactly like both of them did yesterday. I just have them on.
Chat. Oh, I have a smallie.
Oh! Dude, no shot would just doubled up like that. Nice.
We got him, boys. Let's get a release on this fish.
Dude, we doubled up, baby. Oh, crap.
That thing's still sitting right there. Oh, that thing darted off. Let's go.
Did you realize he just under that tree?
No, I casted forward in front of us.
I bet that's the same one that we both missed. I guarantee he was swimming that way.
I mean a squeaker, but we got one.
Smallie.
We finally have broken the curse.
Dude, you know what I'm saying now? It fully feels like a walleye.
Yeah, you don't know they're on until they're on.
Yeah.
Same. We have 2 rock bass right now. So close. There we go. Yeah, that's a little rock bass right there. Nice. Oh, see you later, bud. He'll be fine.